Hello students, good morning. So today we are going to learn a new grammar lesson. Okay, so today we will learn about gender. We all know that all the living beings are either male or female. So when we say male or female, we are talking about the gender of the noun, and there are four different types of gender. Okay, let's start. Students, you have already learned about noun. Okay, so let's first revise about noun, and then we move on the gender. A word used to identify any of a class of people, person or thing, common noun, or to the name, particular name of this proper noun. Okay, now let's move to the gender. There are four different types of gender. First is masculine gender, second is feminine gender, third is common gender, and the fourth one is neutral gender. Okay, but in this video, or you can say in this chapter, only there are three nouns given. Okay, so today we will learn only three genders, that is masculine gender, feminine gender and common gender. Okay, in this video we are going to learn about them in detail. Now let's see about masculine gender. Nouns that tells about male belongs to masculine gender. For example, boy, uncle, father, lion, king, etc. Okay, again I repeat, the nouns which represent males are of masculine gender. Now let's see some examples of masculine gender. For example, boy, lion, man, father, uncle. These words present here are male noun. Okay, let's see the more examples of the masculine gender. The boy has a sheep named Sky. Okay, here boy is masculine gender. He owns a good nephew Ram. Okay, so masculine gender when we are talking about male. Okay, किसी लड़के के बारे में, और यू कैन से मैन, किसी मेल पर्सन के बारे में बात करते हो, उसको हम बोलेंगे मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. ओके, एंड फॉर मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर वी यूज ऑलवेज ही. ओके, ही से ही हम मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर है तो विल यूज ऑलवेज ही. नाउ let's move to the next gender, that is feminine gender. Nouns that tells about female belong to feminine gender. For example, woman, cow, hen, girl, queen, actress, etc. Okay, again I repeat, the nouns which represent females are of feminine gender. For example, we have girl, aunt, mother. We use these words for females. Let's see more with some example. The girl is riding on a horse. The mare runs fast as she can to win. Here girl is feminine gender and mare is also feminine gender. Okay, and in this sentence you have observed that here we had used she. Okay, so when we are talking about female or feminine gender, we will always use she. Okay, let's move to the next gender. So as we have learned masculine gender and feminine gender, now let's move to the common gender. Common gender. Common gender refers to the member of species that can be male or a female. This can be either male or female, like teacher, child, worker, friend, cousin, neighbor, etc. Okay. We use the noun for both male and female. Okay, again I repeat, the noun which we use irrespective of males or females are of common gender. For example, teacher, we can say male, सिर्फ मेल कोई टीचर नहीं बोलते, ओके, या फीमेल कोई. For both gender we use टीचर वर्ड. ओके, सो दिस कॉल्ड कॉमन जेंडर. दोनों के लिए, मेल और फीमेल के लिए हम वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, उसको हम बोलेंगे कॉमन जेंडर. जैसे कि डॉक्टर. ओके, डॉक्टर मेल भी होती है, फीमेल भी होती है, राइट. और यू कैन से नेबर. नेबर है तो नेबर में ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मेल. ओके, बोथ. अगेन फ्रेंड, हम ऐसा नहीं बोलते कि मेरी मेल फ्रेंड है और शी फ्रेंड है और फीमेल फ्रेंड है. वी यूज़ कॉमनली फ्रेंड वर्ड फॉर बोथ. ओके, let's see the example of common gender. See, a teacher doesn't have to be smart. The doctor seemed tired and in a hurry. So teacher and doctor, we use this word for both common noun and proper noun. Let's see the more examples. See, king, boy, father, lion, monk, dog. These are the examples of masculine gender. Let's see now feminine gender examples. Queen, girl, mother, bride, nun, cat. Okay, these are the examples of feminine gender. And the last one is common gender. The doctor, cousin, reporter. These are the examples of common gender. I hope these different kinds of gender are cleared for you. I hope you all enjoyed the class. See you soon, the children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.